Today I'm going to show you how to track a return item on Amazon. If you've sent something back and want to know where it is in the process, this guide will help you monitor your return every step of the way. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. After logging in, look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the toolbar. Click on Returns and Orders. This section is your central hub for managing everything related to your purchases and any items you've sent back to Amazon. Now, although I don't have any active return items or orders at the moment, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you'd see and do next. In the Returns and Orders section, you'll be able to view your complete order history. Scroll through this list to find the specific item you returned. This might take a moment if you have a long purchase history, but Amazon usually organizes things chronologically, making it easier to locate recent returns. Once you've found the item you're looking for, check if there's a button labeled Track Package next to your return. If this option appears, click on it. This will give you real-time tracking information about your return shipment, showing you exactly where your package is and when Amazon expects to receive it. If you don't see the Track Package button, or if you want more detailed information about your return, look for an option that says View Your Returns and click on it. This page displays the status of all your returns in one place, giving you a comprehensive overview of each item you've sent back. From this view, select the specific return you want to check. Clicking on it will open up a detailed page with all the relevant information. Here you'll be able to read the tracking details shown for that particular return. This includes the shipment status, any updates along the delivery route, and the current stage of your return process. Amazon typically provides regular updates as your package makes its way back to their facility. However, if the tracking page doesn't show recent progress, or if you want confirmation beyond what's displayed on the website, check your email for Amazon return updates. Amazon usually sends email notifications at key points in the return process, such as when they receive your package or when your refund has been processed. These emails can provide additional peace of mind and keep you informed even when you're not actively checking the website. And that's it. You've now got all the tools you need to track your Amazon returns and stay updated on their status. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.